In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Mailchimp. First, let's start by navigating to Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. Open up your preferred web browser and type in mailchimp.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following their simple sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, we're going to focus on getting to the Content Studio. To do this, take a look over at the left side of your screen. You should see a menu with several options. Click on Content from this menu. By doing this, you're accessing the section where Mailchimp organizes all your materials. Now, within that Content section, you'll need to find and select Content Studio. This area is your go-to space where Mailchimp stores all your uploaded images, documents, and any other creative assets you might be working with. Now that we have made our way into the Content Studio, it's time to upload your image. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an upload button prominently placed there. By clicking this, Mailchimp will prompt you to browse through your computer files. Simply find the image you want to upload from your folders. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of images on your device. Once you've found the image you want, select it and press open. This will initiate the upload process. It's as simple as that. After you've completed the upload, you'll notice that your image will now appear in your Content Studio library. This means that your image is stored and ready for use in any of your campaigns or emails. Taking a moment to organize your images here can save you time in the future. You can categorize your images or tag them for easy accessibility. Also remember that you can upload multiple images or other file types like PDFs should you need them for future campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded an image to Mailchimp. Now you're ready to create visually impactful newsletters and campaigns. This process is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, allowing you to focus on making your marketing materials look great instead of dealing with technical hurdles. Remember, if you encounter any issues, Mailchimp's help resources are quite comprehensive, so don't hesitate to use them if needed. Keep exploring and experimenting, and you'll become a Mailchimp pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!